Socrata is rethinking open data because we believe that to be successful and to help our customers be successful in really making their data useful, the data needs to be accessible and understandable to the full set of personas, and spreadsheets on the web are not ever going to get us there.
So one of the things we've been working on is just allowing customers to interact with data better, more easily, faster.
We're getting very close to the position for the platform where the data is almost instantly accessible. We can get it here and we can get it exposed to the customer really as fast as the customer's network can allow it.
So we've built this feature called roll-up tables that pre-aggregates a lot of the questions and a lot of the queries that customers may want to answer behind the scenes, so that when it comes time to actually explore, we already have that data pulled together.
With the software that we've designed, all you have to know is your data. You just need to know what your data is and what story you're trying to tell.
You need to be able to capture the interest of the person, of the consumer actually looking at the data. And to capture that interest, it really helps if you can make it more personal to them, if you can allow them to choose their path, to look at the data they're excited about, to look at the data that's relevant to them, to their neighborhood, whatever their interest is.
So one of the great features that we've added is the ability to create a choropleth card. We make it very easy to blend together the concept of a region and the concept of a point and build something that's very intuitive to the end user and very intuitive to build as an experience.
So we have this belief that a flat tabular data structure is not necessarily the most conducive way to interpreting information. So we try to bubble up a much more richer kind of visual user experience. So part of that involves understanding data sets in more depth. So understanding, for example, if we have a bunch of points that maybe describe the location of bicycle racks around the city, being able to figure out what's an appropriate map to put around those bikes and around the city so that we can navigate things more intuitively.
A really highly performant user experience that users can interact with naturally really enables much more intuitive and natural exploration of the data, which we've seen helps people understand the data much more clearly.
We're leveraging sort of some of the latest charting technologies and various extensive kind of spatial and mapping capabilities to allow us to ultimately consume things in much more kind of user-friendly, user-digestible manner. And then we think that all of that kind of drives towards more insight. So combined enhanced user experience along with a much deeper understanding of data, both provided by humans and automatically mined via machine learning and other kind of data mining techniques.
We're rethinking open data.